as that applies to, okay, well, what are we going to do about this? As we've sort of suggested already, is that we've got 12 levers that we've been analysing over a couple of years now. And if we just take one of those 12 levers from the psychosocial DX and delve a little bit deeper to understand some of the correlated outcomes associated with that, what that does do is help organisations drill down to actually understand what interventions they can apply and improve. So if we reflect on what's working well, for example, if you've got some really great relationships with your frontline supervisors, like the data is suggesting, how do you leverage those relationships to improve change management? So from an organisational perspective, what we are seeing, some poor results around change management is relating to job security. Some poor results around setting expectations, particularly during periods of change, and where there's potential conflict within roles or teams, and then also people feeling like they're consulted. So as you can see here, a lot of these interventions or potential controls aren't necessarily providing mental health first aid training to understand and improve general mental health and wellbeing awareness. These are specific interventions that are tackling root causes or contributing factors that are relating to real challenges within organisations.